Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to verify your Binance account. So let's get started. To complete the verification process, download the Binance app from the Play Store or App Store. After installing the Binance app, open it and log into your existing account. After login your account, you will see a pop-up to verify your identity. Click on it. Now select your country or region. To verify your identity, you can use your original government ID, driver's license, or passport. Any of these three documents will be required to verify your Binance account in any country. The ID verification process is the same for everyone. I will verify with my government ID. Now click on Continue. You have to upload the complete photo of your ID card. All the details should be readable. The ID card must be original and not expired. Now click on Continue. Select the first option to capture a photo of your ID card. If you have a photocopy of your ID card on your phone, select the second option. Then click on Continue and allow camera permission. Scan the front side of a document. Place the front of your ID card in front of the camera like this. Do not move your hand while scanning the document. Flip the document. When the front side scan is complete, flip the document and scan the back side. Document upload completed. Now click on Continue. After that, you will have to do live face verification. Do not wear glass, mask or hats during face verification. Click on Continue. You will have to follow the instructions given here. Along with the instructions, this emoji will show you how to do it. For example, turn your head left and right, then open and close your mouth. Friends, after the face verification is done, your application will go for review. It will take 30 minutes for the application to be reviewed. Then your Binance account will be activated and you can start your trading journey. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more update.